Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an adoption letter step by step. What is an adoption letter? An adoption letter is a formal document or communication that is typically written to legally confirm and record the adoption of a child. This letter may be addressed to various parties involved in the adoption process, including the adoptive parents, birth parents, adoption agencies, or relevant authorities. It serves as a formal acknowledgement of the adoption, outlining the legal responsibilities, rights, and obligations of the adoptive parents and, in some cases, may include information about the child's background, name changes, and other pertinent details related to the adoption. Adoption letters are often an integral part of the adoption documentation process, ensuring that all parties are aware of and consent to the adoption arrangement. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an adoption letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your information. Here, write your full name. And then, write your home address. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the recipient's information. Yes, write the full name of the recipient. Or, if you don't know, just directly write the name of the adoption agency. In this example, the letter is addressed to Cherished Beginnings Adoption Agency. Under it, write the address of the office or agency. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing these information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you don't know their name, you may simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or "to whom it may concern." In the first paragraph, tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. Yes, you need to provide a clear statement of intent to adopt. For example, you may write, "I am writing to express my heartfelt desire to adopt a child through your reputable agency." Here, it is highly recommended that you emphasize the alignment with agency values. After careful consideration, and a deep reflection on my capacity to provide a loving and stable home, I believe that the journey of adoption is the right path for me. You need to be confident when you write the letter. Be confident if you are eligible to be a parent. And this is the life path that you choose. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about your commitment to fulfilling agency requirements. Showing your confidence in every chance is a must. If you doubt in yourself, how come the recipient or the agency believe in you? Therefore, you may write something like, "Having reviewed your agency's adoption process and requirements, I am confident that they align with my values and dedication to becoming a loving parent." Yes, make it sound like adopting a child would complete your life. Like you are really serious about this. You should convince the recipient that you will be a great parent. For example, the writer here stated, "I am fully committed to fulfilling all prerequisites, attending the necessary classes and seminars. And I am ready working closely with your agency to ensure a successful adoption." There must be some requirements you must fulfill. Stating that you are ready and excited to fulfill all requirements will show your eagerness to be a good parent. Once again, it is a must that you mention of readiness to complete necessary steps. So don't skip this one. In the third paragraph, talk about your acknowledgement of the complexities of adoption. Adopting doesn't necessarily mean you feed the child and done. Nope. You have to think all the complexity for the child to have bright future. So you need to state or clearly, "I understand the complexities of the adoption process and the patience and effort it requires." Besides that, convince the recipient that you will be a diligent and caring parent. Simply write, However, I am determined to navigate this journey with diligence and care. And don't forget, adoption agency must require all applicants to submit some documents. Therefore, you need to attach them all along with this letter. And mention it in this paragraph, so the recipient will check it immediately after reading your letter. For example, you can write, enclosed with this letter are my completed adoption application, personal references, financial documentation, and all other required materials as specified by your agency. And make sure you really attach all the documents that you have mentioned here. In the fourth paragraph, after giving a confirmation of the submission of required documents, now you can write your expression of appreciation for the opportunity. It is an implicit message that you are asking a chance to get this opportunity. So, you may write, I appreciate the opportunity to be considered as an adoptive parent, through Cherished Beginnings Adoption Agency. And now, you can talk about how you have been waiting for a day like this, a day when you send your adoption application. Simply write, the prospect of providing a loving home for a child is a deeply cherished dream. By reading this, the recipient would get it how serious you are. And you can add, I am excited about the possibility of making this dream a reality with your guidance. In the last paragraph, you can show your gratitude to the recipient for considering the application. Simply write, thank you for considering my application. And once again, show reiteration of eagerness to begin the adoption journey. By showing your eagerness in every chance, the recipient would highly consider you to adopt a child. Don't miss every chance, show your excitement here. If you don't know what to write, simply copy this. I look forward to embarking on this life-changing journey. And I am ready to meet all the necessary steps to ensure a successful adoption. And lastly, you can offer your contact information for further communication. In this case, you can either give your phone number or email address, or both. For example, please feel free to contact me at 555-789-1234, or emily.turner@email.com, for any further information or steps required. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an adoption letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.